Like a good neighbor, Mike Berg is there. What's the matter, Troy? What does that do? What does that do, Troy? What does that do?
Stuff.
What does that do, Troy? Hose. 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 Where's this go? Hose? What are we doing today now? This ain't forestry related.
Yeah, it is. Pole skidder.
Pole skidder from Iowa. Look at, I gotta show you this. Look at, pole skidder from Iowa. That's what they use down there.
Pull cattails around.
Cattails? How much did you get out of her? Half an ounce?
An ounce, I said.
An ounce? That's hard to measure.
That's funny.
And it's supposed to have what?
15.
15 OZs. Okay. Where's that at? Right there? Yeah. Looks like a hamster engine. Look at the battery. That's like a garden tractor battery. I suppose they've been around forever though. Honda Kawasaki. Good morning, Kyle. Honda Kawasaki. Oh, I'm retarded.
Isn't that your girlfriend's name?
Yeah, Nikita.
Honda Kawasaki.
Honda Kawasaki Nariko. Is that thing even running, Kyle?
Mike does a brand new Hyundai.
What do you think, Rick? I think that's... Excuse me. COVID. It's really 70 in the shop? 69.8? I can shut this off now, huh?
If you want.
Okay. That was it?
Probably. I don't know.
You don't know, but you're a professional. Hey, what's up, boys? Come on.
You can't be staged.
You can't be saved?
Staged.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You missed the pail, dude. Do you think you really wanted the oil change? Well, he brought us a
I
filter, didn't
imagine
he?
that's why he brought the filter.
Yeah.
Could have just put a filter on.
Smarter than you are. Smart. So you got this all back together and almost starting to look like something again.
Huh?
Starting to look like something again.
This engine never goes back in.
Oh, it'll go in. You'll have her in there today. Ooh, we got the brand new flywheel clutch thingy on there, pressure plate and everything, huh? You didn't want to take up that. Some guys were laughing at what I said the other day about you sitting in there and running it like a...
Oh, they were?
Yeah. Listen. This thing's even got a turbo?
Kill him.
Hey, Troy's got a cab
Is it
up.
bad if you strip a drain plug out?
Yeah, just weld her shut. Put a cork in it. Yeah, I gotta get a bottle of wine. What's all this all about? Why do you got a chain holding that? What was? The cab jack thing was falling out. Oh, there's his oil leak.
Yeah, it leaks every time, no matter what.
Come on, that ain't that hard to fix. They make a seal kit for that thing, or is it junk?
You already fixed it 3 times.
I know, it fell out 3 times too, because that's the John Deere thing, they fell out. Okay, well, I don't know nothing else. You guys know anything else? Hey, I heard that from over here. Are you being bashful now? You being bashful? See if I can get in there. Get a look at Troy through the exhaust manifold. Look at the eye of the beholder through the window of death. What are we?
Whatever.
You guys like it and everybody else does too. You need more oil than a gallon? Just hold 5 quarts? Huh?
It's not even on the stick, man.
I think they hold 5 quarts. I mean,
I think you're wrong because that is 5 quarts.
yeah, I know. I think they hold another 4. And then 1.
Wrong.
Isn't it 10?
Wrong. First the scary girl.
Troy, isn't these little things a 10 quart system? Roughly? 2 gallons, 2 quarts? There's 10 quarts in it.
I don't remember.
Nice funnel. Where'd you find that?
2.5 gallons.
Did you find that at the Dollar General?
No.
Dollar Genital.
There's one in every town. Ooh, it's a Matco tool. How much you pay for that plastic?
I don't know.
Don't remember?
Post game post.
Oh. Look at you are just golden. You're like the golden boy. All right, I had enough. Look at come on now. That's all right. Hi, Rick.
What's up, buddy?
I'm gonna put this down because what is this?
It's an OSHA hazard.
That's a headache waiting to happen.
Don't walk into it.
I'd lose my teeth. I'd lose my teeth right about there. Tips on the floor, right? Oh, what? You do have an engine in there. Nice. It's all tightened up already? Well, might and knowing are always two different things, right? You might know. Okay. Did you have to cut this to get in there? No, that was manufactured that way, huh? Somebody did. You don't need any antifreeze, just fire it up. Yeah, it's a long time coming, ain't it? You searching out my hideout back here? What? Well, that's a bona fide, what do you call that? We can't really show a whole lot of that or we'll get in trouble for that.
That's what I thought.
Airsoft? Mike was supposed to do a little TIG welding on that. What are you doing now?
Taking hoses off.
Are you gonna disassemble this whole crane?
I have to get in from the front or the back to get at the bottom.
Ah, come on.
There's nothing on the sides anymore.
So you gotta go through that hole?
Yeah, probably gonna take them hoses off.
That's the valve bank too, you know.
Mhm.
That's mounted to that. Oh, you don't have to take the valve bank off. Si, senor, but you're gonna take the swing tubes off.
Yeah, all them hoses.
Quiet down over there. That's a lot of hoses. You think you can put them back where they belong? Okay. All right, that's enough for today.